Hi everyone, my name is Juliana Spindler and today I'm going to make a presentation for the second Plant Physiology Interdisciplinary Symposium. My work is entitled The Linting Methods Used in Sulfuric Acid Timing and Different Neutralizers on Cotton Seed Physiological Quality. I'm going to make a quick introduction. The linting is a very important step in cotton seeds because after harvest and ginning, the seeds still have fiber on it and we need to remove it. In order to do that, we need to use sulfuric acid, and after that, we need to neutralize to stop the action of the sulfuric acid and to increase the pH. With that, we can maintain seed quality. The object of this study was to determine the physiological quality of cotton seed, diluted in different sulfuric acid timing, and neutralized with different bases. Here is an image of the seed before the diluting. As you can see, it's totally covered with the fiber. The experimental design was randomized in a factorial of 3 by 4, 3 different times, and 4 different neutralizers. The times were 2, 4, and 10 minutes in sulfuric acid at 98%. After that, the seeds were washed in running water for 1 minute and put in beakers with the neutralizers. The neutralizers concentration was 10%. The proportion in the beaker was 1 liter of neutralizer per kilo of seed. We stir them for 1 minute. After that, we remove the neutralizers and dry the seed in a circulate air oven at 40 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Here's an image of the seeds after the process. In 2 minutes, we still have lint on the seeds. 4 minutes was a midterm where I had lint in the edges of the seeds, and 10 minutes was the most effective treatment where I removed all the lint from the seeds. The evaluations we did was germination, seedling measures, and pH. For seedling measures, we choose 3 different sizes. The big seedlings were the ones with more than 12 centimeters. The medium seedlings were the ones between 8 and 12 centimeters. And small seedlings had between 4 and 8 centimeters. Here's in the result, we have that in 2 minutes, lime and hydrate lime were the treatments that we had better germination for this time. In 4 minutes, only hydrate lime showed a good germination of 90%. In 10 minutes, hydrate lime and limestone showed a germination above 80%. When we look at this result, it's information that the neutralizer does not affect the seed quality. It's only about how much lint I have left on the seed and if the seed is infected or not. So here in seedlings, we can see again that the bigger seedlings were in 10 minutes in the neutralizers hydrate lime and limestone. And here's in medium seedling, what I want you to look is in here, because we have less medium seedlings because all of them became big seedlings. In small seedlings, the only treatment that I see some tendency to increase was for lime, where here in 2 minutes I had 24, then I had 29, and then I had 39. The others was different in each time and didn't follow a tendency for these 3 neutralizers. Now I want to talk about the sodium hydroxide. It was the worst treatment because it's a strong base and affected physiological quality and physical quality as well. Moving to pH, here I want you to look at the neutralizers isolate, because if you look at each one of them, and I mean lime, hydrate lime, and then limestone, when I increase the time of diluting, I decrease the pH, if you see here. That didn't happen with the sodium hydroxide because it's a strong base, so what happened here was inversed. Our conclusion was cottonseed diluting for 2 minutes neutralized with lime, and seeds diluted for 4 minutes neutralized with hydrate lime showed hydrogenation with more proportion of big and medium seedlings compared to other treatments, indicating best vigor and physiological quality at the end of the process. In 10 minutes, the neutralizers lime, hydrate lime, limestone showed similar germination as well, and it's the best indication to use because it was the only treatment that removed all the lint. Sodium hydroxide was very good to neutralize the sulfuric acid, but as being a strong base affected seed physiological quality. The lint on the cottonseed was completely removed after 10 minutes in sulfuric acid, some lint remaining on the seed extremities in 4 minutes, and most of the lint remaining in 2 minutes. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions about this work, you can mail me, and it will be a pleasure to answer you. Thank you very much.